So in order to add a new lead, you'll need to be within Nomi CRM, and you can do this two ways. You can either go to the leads menu by selecting leads on the left menu and then going to add, or you can go to the add button in the top right hand corner and select new lead. Now, once you're within the new lead page, you'll then be able to just enter the personal information for this lead to begin with. So I'll just go ahead and enter that. And for postcodes, we actually connect to a database for this, so we can pull through addresses automatically based on a postcode. And then once you've entered the personal information, you can enter the inquiry details. So what type of business is it? It could be a private inquiry if it's for self-assessment or something like that. But let's go ahead and do a company. We've got our inquiry type, our lead owner, who is the individual that actually is going to take ownership of this lead and take charge of who's going to get that lead over the line and sign a contract. We've got offer codes if you were running a promotion and you wanted people to quote a code in order to get that promotion. A channel. So this is how they found out about you. And we could select referral. And a great little feature here is the fact that you can actually keep track of who has referred the lead. So this is a client called Unitest who referred. And then the initial contact was email. And then we've got our services required. So ongoing, one-off, and one-off and ongoing. And then we can say that they inquired about bookkeeping, payroll, final accounts, corp tax, and tax planning. Now, if they needed additional services, you would be able to select them during the quote process. The next step is then business details. So if the company hasn't been incorporated yet, you can select this box. If the company already exists, then you can search them using our just by typing in the company name, and then it will search company's house. And then that pulls through a lot of the information automatically for you. And then last but not least, we've got the trading details. So if the address that you've already entered is the trading address, you can copy that over to this record, or you can enter the address manually. And then we've got our nature of business. So what it is that the business actually does. Select next, and then that will take you to your lead profile where you can review the information that you've entered, and you can add additional information. So this is the full record. So you can enter as much or as little as you like. But now that you've got your lead into the system, you'll also be able to view it within the list all page. Okay. And any of your automatic workflows will now trigger based on, say, deadlines of this lead, if it pulled through from company's house, and that sort of things. So I hope you found this useful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Thank you.